the new topic, amines. So this topic, it is compulsory for 3 marks and with option for 4 marks. So again, this is one of the important topic of organic chemistry. So amines. First is the definition. बघा पहिल्यांदा काय असणार आहे definition. So definition. So by two ways we can define these amines. Amines, they are the nitrogen containing compounds. So amines are nitrogen containing compounds. Nitrogen containing compound, that means they are having the nitrogen atom in their molecules and which are having the basic character. So first type of definition is amines are the nitrogen containing compounds having basic character. So this is one type of definition. The second type of definition is, so amines, these are the organic compounds. Amines are the organic compounds which are obtained or which are derived from or which are derivatives of ammonia. So ammonia is the NH3. So amines, these are the organic compounds derived from the ammonia by replacing 1, 2 or 3 hydrogen atoms from ammonia by the same number of alkyl or aryl groups. So this is the second type of definition. So these amines are the organic compounds. They are having the basic character and also these are the derivatives of ammonia in which here 1 or 2 or 3 hydrogen atoms from ammonia, they are replaced, they are substituted by the same number of alkyl or aryl groups. So these are the definitions of amines. The next point is then classification of these amines. So what is the classification of amines? So this is actually not the important point, but you must know about the classification of amines. So this classification again, it depends upon the number of hydrogen atoms. This classification depends upon the number of hydrogen atoms present or number of hydrogen atoms they are replaced by the same number of alkyl or aryl groups. That means here from the ammonia here NH3. Here the hydrogen atoms they are replaced. Then the compound form is the amine. So in that amine, how many hydrogen atoms they remains or how many hydrogen atoms from these amines they are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. On this basis, these amines they are classified as primary amines. So the notation here asnar hai. So these are called as primary amines. So what are primary amines? So primary amines, these are the amines in which here the alkyl group, that means the R group, this is the alkyl or aryl group, is attached to or is bonded to NH2 group. NH2 group, that means this is the NH2 group, this is the primary amino group. So the compounds which are containing the NH2 group, the amine compound which contains the NH2 group, amino group, are called as primary amines. So primary amines, they are having the general formula RNH2. NH2 is the amino group. Then the example, here are, you can use here methyl, ethyl, whatever it, or you can use, this is the benzene ring. Benzene ring, that is the phenyl group. When it is attached to NH2 group, then it becomes the primary amine. So this is the first classification, first type of classification which depends upon the number of hydrogen atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms replaced by here aryl or alkyl group. So the first class is the primary amines. Then the second class is the secondary amines. So here the short form secondary amines. So what are secondary amines? Secondary amines, these are the amines. Again here 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms, they are replaced by 2 R groups or 2 aryl groups. So secondary amines, they are having the general formula. So this is the R, first R. This is the second R. These are the aryl or alkyl groups, which is attached to NH group. From here ammonia is having the formula NH3. From this NH3, here 2 hydrogen atoms, they are replaced by 2 R groups. And the formula which remains here NH. So this NH is the functional group of these secondary amines. Secondary amines having the functional group NH. So this NH is called as imine, or we can write as imino group. So here pronunciation is the imino group. So imine group, that means the NH. NH is the imino group. NH2 is the amino group. Primary is the amino group. Secondary is the imino group. Imino, that means NH. Then the example here you can write these 2 R group. They are the same or different. Here alkyl group CH3 and here NH, and this is the another CH3. You can use these 2 are the same or different. So this is the secondary amine. So this is the second class of the amines. ठीक है? आता next बघा. Next राहिला काय? Tertiary. So here the short form TERT, tertiary amines. These tertiary amines. आता कसे लिहिणार बघा definition? Tertiary amines, these are the amines in which 3 hydrogen atoms from the ammonia, they are replaced by 3 same or different alkyl or aryl groups. So here 3, instead of 3 hydrogen atoms, here 3 R groups are present and only nitrogen is in between them. So here 3 R groups, they may be the alkyl or aryl groups, same or different. 3 R groups, they are attached to the nitrogen. So this nitrogen here is the functional group. So this nitrogen, try here OLR, 3 bond त्याचे काढायचे. So this nitrogen is the, या ठिकाणी काय म्हणणार आपण त्याला, tertiary nitrogen, and this is the functional group. Tertiary nitrogen, this is the functional group of tertiary amines. So this is the general formula of tertiary amines. So you can use this R group as methyl group or ethyl group or propyl group, any, or aryl group, benzene ring तुम्ही काढली तरी सुद्धा काय होईल. This is the example of tertiary amines. So this classification, it is based on number of hydrogen atoms which are present in this amine, or number of hydrogen atoms which are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups in this amine. So this is the first type of classification, primary, secondary and tertiary. Then the second type of classification, it depends upon the type of aryl or alkyl groups. If the same alkyl groups are present, or if different alkyl groups or aryl groups are present, so this classification, it is the classification of secondary and tertiary amines only, because primary amines, they are having the formula RNH2 where only one R group is present. So there is no question about the same or different R groups or aryl groups. So this second type of classification, it is of secondary and tertiary amines. Very simple. So first type is the first type of classification is the simple or symmetrical. माहिती आहे तुम्हाला, हे बऱ्याच वेळेला आपण बघितलंय, सिंपल और सिमेट्रिकल अमाइन्स. secondary and tertiary amine. For example, what is meant by simple or symmetrical secondary or tertiary amines? When two are groups from the secondary and when three are groups from the tertiary, they are the same. Then such type of amines are called as simple or symmetrical amines. For example, if here in this secondary amine, here CH3 groups, they are twice. That means here the secondary amine, CH3 and HCH3. So two are groups, they are the same. So this is the simple or symmetrical. This is the secondary amine. And if three CH3 groups, they are attached to the nitrogen. That means the three same R groups, they are attached to the nitrogen in this tertiary amine. Then it is called as a simple or symmetrical amine. आता नेक्स्ट बघा, याचा अपोजिट पार्ट म्हणजे अपोजिट सेकंड क्लास याचा काय असणार आहे? अगेन इट इज रिलेटेड टू ओनली सेकंडरी अँड टर्शरी अमाइन्स. सिंपलच्या उलट काय लिहिणार आहे आपण या ठिकाणी? मिक्स्ड और unsymmetrical amines. Mixed or unsymmetrical amines. So when, especially for secondary and tertiary amines, when two different R groups, they are attached to the nitrogen in secondary and as well as in tertiary amines, then it is called as a mixed or unsymmetrical amine. For example, secondary amine, if one group is CH3, it is attached to the NH, and then another group, you can write here or here. The another group is C2H5, that means the ethyl group. So two R groups, they are different. Therefore, this type of amine is called as a mixed amine. Especially this is the secondary amine. You can use the tertiary amine here also. In case of tertiary amine, this nitrogen is attached to three different R groups, alkyl or aryl groups. So suppose one is the CH3, another is the C2H5 and third one is the C3H7. Then such example, it is the mixed or unsymmetrical amine. So this is the total classification of amines. आता नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आपल्याला स्टार्ट करायचा आहे नॉमेनक्लेचर.